Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings, scroll down and click on Passwords and Biometrics. Then tap on Add Face, enter your current login method and read the disclaimer. Now just continue and follow all of the presented instructions. Now you need to select Done. And when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!